Uweu samla nari boy starwell ronghang larung hagothop 10 hak examen HSSLC melapan mi daga embos mentau snem uniu samla bapuli St Paul's Higher Secondary School nongpo badai na gasnang purdua ulawan hak kerdan bakhandai hak jela nakabayo South Park Life Marks kinohingkai daga jingsokmen bagajingiet Kipburom yo niu samla daga balik shaw yu na yeng sa jungu bat sanran school haga balap yang sembha yu naduh nagiet daga jingrisa ke jingkemen jing para khana school ustarwel lapan pau yang jingsokmen ban ai kublei yu blei lem baginohingkai bat ki bahiyang basam ki balakershan yu habaro ke jingya linti jungu ulong bagjingyo kamshim lawan suk henrei kade ke jingmi na ke jingya trishtom bat ke jingya minot thom Nagalang kesesa Angelina CH Marak kepada ke headmistress bat ke gong switi shadam kelas teacher kilapan pau yang ke dokumen ke bakrau bat kilai ke jingero yo dei samla na ke bakit bakir biang bo nangla ban kiu syafrang wan wanra shishu ya kana Kipburom hakisi ban.
First and foremost, I give thanks to our Almighty God because without Him, I couldn't be here. I'm in front of you all because of His blessing since the beginning of my preparation, He had strengthened me physically, intellectually, and emotionally. And I give thanks to all my teachers because they taught everything what is required for the exam, and because of them I was able to achieve it greater. And I also thanks to all my family and relatives. They support me every moment I prepare for the exam, and they also provided me financially so that I can come to school to be an educated person. Thank you. Since the beginning of the preparation, since the beginning of the year, to be honest, I used to study only 2 to 4 hours daily, and I used to do a household task. And since December, just before 3 months of my exam, I used to study 10 to 12 hours daily. No, I don't have any hobbies in my life except dancing and singing. That's it. Now I have 3 courses that I'm interested in. That is political science and sociology and Bachelor of Law. But this decision will be taken within 2 to 3 weeks. And after my bachelor, I will be simultaneously I will be preparing for UPSC civil service examination and also state PS. It's a sad moment that I'm living without my mom. She had passed away just 1 month before my SSLC examination in the year 2024. Due to a kidney failure, she had been hospitalized for more than a year in the Crims Hospital. And in that year, of her last year actually, just before 2 weeks of her last breath, she told me and she inspired me to study well, to prepare well, and to pass well in the examination, to be a good person in my future. And her words, her last word will always keep motivating me during my preparation, even though I face a lot of problems, but I used to remember her words that she told me to study well and to pass well in the examination. And also I'm very grateful to my sister Regina, who always motivate me, came to my table in my house, that she always motivate me to become a commission officer and to study well in the examination, to pass well in the examination. But just after one day after my examination, she passed away due to a tragic road accident. It's a sad moment for all of us, especially for the family and for the state as well. She is not just a bright athlete, but also a good student. That she wants to be a good leader in the future, to become a commission officer, to serve the nation and the state with her dedication and humility. But due to this accident, she was not able to achieve that. If we really want to achieve it, we can achieve it. But it needs our self consistency, determination, and self. We should believe in ourselves that we are capable of achieving it later. Without our sacrifices and self determination, we will not be able to achieve it.
Lived with my students for the past 6 years, but I found amongst the teachers and students and within myself, I introspect myself how I should make my students pass well. And not only through my hard work, but first and foremost, the hard work of my teachers I could see. And just recently, we have installed smart board, and they really work hard to prepare the lesson plan. Even I could see the way that they were so passionate to teach my students. And after installing the smart board and smart class, I could see a bit of change in terms of learning and even in terms of teaching. And it's a proud moment. Once again, last year we got second among top 10 and the second rank. And this year we also get again in the top list for the 9th position. And it's a proud moment for the school as well. And I take privilege to thank God for blessing these many students. 175 students to send to write the board exam is not an easy job for the teachers and for the school management. But I take this privilege to thank the Almighty God for bringing this many students to be cared, to be nurtured, to be educated. And this year, again, I'm really proud and thank God, especially for Starwell, who is really a star to the school. Through his achievement, something it is within my soul, it is telling that children coming from poor section also can achieve. Just recently, he lost his own mother. With a single parent, how he worked hard, and I could see his enthusiasm, his passion, his readiness to achieve greater heights. To the greater heights is really immense. So I could see that not only his effort, but effort between teacher and students and we school management, we really work hard, and it is a proud moment to say that Starwell has done it, and we are proud of you, Starwell. Hope your future life, your dreams will be that of bringing continuous blessings to yourself and to your family. And I could also congratulate you for the success that you brought to the school. And through the constant effort, the passion, the hard work, dedication, and believing in oneself that we can achieve, as you have already said, that you believe in yourself that I can do. So you start working. So I'm sure that together with my teachers and students, we are aspiring to bring good result to the school as well. Thanks. It's a proud moment to St. Paul's School once again, and we are getting in the top list for the second consecutive round this year. And art stream, we have sent 175 students, and 173 altogether pass. Only two couldn't succeed. One due to his uh, job, he couldn't complete his exams, and only one failed. And 24 students appeared in science stream, and it is a satisfactory, although few of them failed, couldn't succeed. But overall, I could see that this year we have achieved a great thing. So means to say that this year failure has gone down. Only one only failed. So it's a really great achievement to the school, and I'm proud of my school, St. Paul's.
Kabaning kong ngi penpau ka jing songo yo blay na kabenta ka result ka babha jo ka St. Paul's Higher Secondary School mentau snem ro ka rajar apun rio kabaning ka baar pa de ngi penpau ka jing songo isha I starwell I meido I pa jing starwell ki bahieng bahasem ki ba jodan rengkat man ka por bat man ai man sim I ban pendap pen biang e barok hai kiliang kan liat na kaliang ki nonghikai starwell ide khna I batreshtam mendai mengisu ang tanah mar ila pas menta henry ide khna ibatre shom naduh kapor ka ba naduh ki kelas ki baret ilawan join hane apo St. Paul teng yo I bha kumno ilong tigi don ki snem ki ba I have an improve lane I have ban 3 minute shusho ma ba in kamla tabaka wei ki bang itanat kum kino hikai da kan ka platform jong phiru ki kwa ban panyo soi ki khna jong I ba bonsen ki khna ha ba kilong ki ba snoret kilong ki ba kuloi ban pen bait yela jong kilong ki ba kloy ban ya lang bat kino hikai bat ka school kawan ra te ka jing job kini I starwell ro ilong kumta haba idon kino kuno ka jing ka jing stom lane ki jing bam so tho ki subject bangi hikai iju kloy ban wan kali iju kloy ban pan jing arab kata ka bangi so tenat ka ngi hikai ki school ya kini ki khna jongi ki don kumba ars pa ngodi shi class kamde ka basuk ingi kino hikai ru bangin ai ka bangi on ka special attention lane ngin ai ban pet kmi bnya bhaya baro iwei pa iwei henringi ai lot baro ka met ka sem ngi the lot baro khat kat ka bangi la ban ai kini ki khna henri ka shongru ha ki khna ka de bakin wan chakmat bakin pan jingrap ha baki snowdon kam te nga ai kubleiru ya baro khai ki para class jong starwell mentau senam ka result kala bha shisha kidon ki khna ki badun na bha yole se ki bon ki bam tep ma shapang ka St. Paul's ki ju ang ba ta result kumle kum tai henrei ngin ong e phik ni ju pha shi bon bha ki khna hado shi spa khandai po shi spa nyau po na ka arspa but ki bon ki khna ki badun na bha hakapor selection ni ju ban perkhat arsin nai sen bat ne nai bon ki wan ka longyeng ka baduk dan ki ba ang em ngin persang mes ngin tre shitom ni khot ye ki kmek pa ngi long parents meeting ni pelong bayang ka exam kumne kata ka de ka jing tre shitom na kaliang ka school jongi kinoi kai bangi le ban yarap ki bad ho don ki bala yo nong shishana kata henry don pat ki ba kim kwa ban yarap yala die te henry kim la ban poi shakmat no henry yakane ka snem ka bamentahi tengi da sohon shai ka result namar idon ki khna ki batrat shisha henry ki la tre shitom bad ki la one first but second yim don third henry ki first but ki second te result ka de khandai popra point prapun 100% jong ka arts but ngikit bok kit rang ngikit khna barok khoi bakin nang kiu shaprang ka jing kulia ka de badon kam ha ka jing im jong ki nang ta ngikit bok kit rang ru starwell nang de shakmat kane ka ditang ka jing sedang nang yai beteng ban tre stom starwell ngikit bok ep kata tang kata blesibuat